23rd floor. We are going to our new house. Ta-da! Our new house.
Is thinking about you.
Watch. We bought this house. Yay! A lot of work needs to be done first. We need to paint all the walls. We're going to use Royal paint by Asian Paints. Then we're going to polish the marbles. Mirror polish, so it will look spick and span. Right now it's not a good state. It needs a very nice deep cleaning as well. This is the kitchen. We will get a nice modular kitchen done here. This is the servant room, storeroom. This is going to be our TV room, our lounge area. Beautiful, nice lounge area right here. And just look at this view.
Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down.
So a lot of work needs to be done now. I'll keep updating you as and when it happens. Bathroom work. Oh. This is the first master bedroom. Bathroom. This is the common bedroom. 10 feet by 10 feet. The main master bedroom. The third room. The cupboard space. We're going to do a full size wardrobe here. It's going to be with sliding doors. It's going to look amazing. And this is another balcony space. Look at that happiness. This is yours.
If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon.